Good afternoon, everybody. Let's go to the official exam of the 2020 from the Ministry of Education for the scientific stream. If you look at the first page right now here, you can see that this is the reading comprehension text. Now you have a text about a survey of 3,000 workers, and it's divided into the paragraphs. There is a blank space at the beginning of each paragraph. Then there is a table that you need to complete from the text. After the table, you have question B, match the jobs with their suitable paragraphs. Now the عناوين, four titles. So you need to write these four at the top. In the blank spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, you have the questions to answer, WH questions, 1, 2, 3. كل سؤال علامة ونص إذا بتطلعوا. And next to it, true, false questions, three sentences. And what the pronoun refers to or might refer to, you have 3 points and 3 words, they, it, us. Please do that in the afternoon by finding the link on the chats. I just sent it to you. Do answer everything in it, and then move to the second text. هذا قطعة خارجية, an external text that's not from your books. You need to add titles 1, 2, 3, 4 again. These are the titles with the paragraphs. Then you need to answer the questions 1, 2, and 3. Question C is true or false. And number 4, complete the diagram from the text above. Now you have 1, 2, 3 blank spaces, and here 3. That's 7 spaces, which is 7 points, 7 marks. 7 فراغات 7 علامات زي ما تجاوب السؤال العادي. So you need to be careful not to miss any point, because you know, if you look at this, it's almost 40 questions in 2 pages. So there is a possibility or a chance of losing points if you are not careful. You need to be careful. The vocabulary part, now it's 20 points in the year 2020. For you this year, it will be 25 points, 25 marks. So pay attention to this, please. And now we are going to answer this together. Question number 1, anybody ready to read, please? Alisar, can you start?
Yes. Fill in the following sentences by replacing the words in brackets with the appropriate,
Yes.
Words from the box.
Okay.
Words, potential, pattern, justified.
Thank you. So this is replace the words with their meanings. Malak, number 1, please.
He felt a million hands patting him on the back and congratulating him on the job.
Okay, if somebody is touching your back, he's patting you. Number 2. Yes, Maysam. Come on, Maysam.
إيش أستاذ؟ أحل الثانية.
Yes.
Kind words are worth much and cost little.
Worth. Number 3 now, Tiba.
The law required a detailed analysis of the potential impact on the environment of the proposed project.
Okay, and the next one, Noor Dababni, please.
I don't think Amy's opinion were really justified.
Okay, so this one, justified. The one before, potential. Number 2, worth. And number 1, patting. Now, you need to be careful. You don't necessarily need to start with number 1. Maybe you start with number 3 or 4. So start with the one that you are sure is right. وهذا معاني ما بده إشي. Now, question number 2, I need someone read. Malak, read the question, please.
Complete the following sentences with words from the box. Impatient, graphic, via, returns.
Okay, who can start with number 1? Look at the words and look at the sentence for a moment. You have time to think. Okay, anybody ready? Just Malak. So Malak, do number 1, please.
The scenes of graphic violence in the film were very frightening.
Okay, thank you. Now the next one, Rita, Mace, and Lena.
You can enter the building via the western gate.
Number 3.
After waiting for an hour, the impatient customer stormed out and complained the manager.
Okay, the last one, Lena.
Most people get fairly low graphic from their personal investment. لا returns.
Returns from investment, عائدات أرباح الاستثمار. Yes. So number 1 is graphic. Number 2 is via. Number 3 is impatient. And the last one, returns. صار لحد الآن عندنا سؤالين 4 8 علامات. That's 8 points. Question number 3, choose the correct answer. Now, this is something that relates to the prepositions and the words on page 71 and 84. Malik, start with number 1, please.
The refugees believe that their lives are in danger.
In danger. طلع عاملين هيك يعني something tricky. On danger هي مش موجودة باللغة الإنجليزية أصلا. كرم عودي, number 2.
I don't think many people can say they are satisfied with their salary.
Okay.
Satisfied
with. Thank you. Yes, not satisfied and. Noor Rabi', number 3.
It's important to protect your skin from the harmful effects of the sun.
Ahmed Maher, next one. Protect from horn. يلا أبو الماهر يلا.
أستاذ.
يلا اللي بعدها 4.
أني واحدة.
4.
He refused to do it because it was not part of job description.
Job description. Okay, the next one. Yeah. كرم. واللي بعدها طيبة. يلا.
These products and advertisements are clear examples of their marketing strategy.
Marketing. The last one.
I got stuck in the traffic and arrived just on time to catch my flight.
Okay. انتبهوا انه in time دائما مع just بتيجي يعني اجى قبل الوقت بشوي كان راحت عليه هيك المعنى. Now exercise D or question D.
In time ولا on time?
Just in time.
Okay.
شوي بس ثواني هسه برجع لك. On time لما هي is never late. نعم تفضل ريت.
أستاذ عندي سؤال غبي، شو يعني the refugees؟
اللاجئين. لا مش.
Okay.
It's nice. Okay. Now the next question, Noor Dabab, read that D, please.
Complete the sentences with suitable phrases, verbs from the box.
Okay. Who can
Come out, run into, stand up.
كملي.
Yeah. People are wondering who's going to take over when the old king dies.
Yes. Take over the king. لما الملك يموت بده واحد يجي محله. إذا take over يحل المحل. Now, كرم عودي and طيبة, the hands up. Please go.
Tourist guides often carry umbrellas so that they stand out in a crowd.
Okay. Next one.
The truth about him.
Yes, طيبة. راح صوتي.
جاوبت. The truth about him will come out in the end.
Okay, come out. The last one, Lena.
Guess who I stand out in town today?
Now, إذا بدك تحذري بمين التقيت إذا أنا في السوق. إذا which one, Lena?
Stand out.
No, stand out اللي حامل الشمسية مشان يبين بين السواح. Who can help? Karam, can you?
Ran into.
احذر بمين التقيت إذا لينا. Ran into somebody in the town today. So number 1 is take over the king who died. Number 2, stand out with your umbrella. Number 3, it will come out. الحقيقة لابد أن تنكشف. Come out. And number 4, meet someone by chance in the street and we try to guess who that person is. So it's run into. آخر تمرين تقريبا في المفردات علامتين. Complete the sentences using the words in the books, cook or mess. طبعا هون you need to be careful that by the end of the year you will have over and under. بصير cook, mess, over, under بعد ما أخذنا هالشغلات. So Karam, start please.
Because of the size of the task, combined cooperation was important.
Okay, cooperation. Next, number 2. Noor.
It seemed a strange question. I wondered if I misheard.
If I had misheard. يعني سؤال غريب معقول حدا يسأله ولا أنا ما سمعتش هيك. I misheard. Now, all you need to do, we are 14 minutes. إذا شايفين وإحنا مع بعضنا مع الحكي كله اللي حكيناه بالأول أخذ 14 دقيقة. So when you are sitting for your final official exam by the end of the year in June or July, I don't know exactly, you can do the vocabulary in less than 15 minutes, in fact. It's something that's easy peasy. You can do it quickly. Now, the second part is language, grammar. And the grammar is divided into section A and section B. In section A, you have 10 points, 10 marks. A, B, سؤال, C. عليهن 10 علامات. section B طلع مكتوب بالعربي بالامتحان بيكون هون. أجب عن سؤالين فقط. إذا بدك تختار 1 و2 أو 1 و3 أو 2 و3. مرات بدل 1 2 3 بحطوا لكم A, B, C. هون. Be careful to choose according to the numbers they give you here, numerics. So we go back to question number 1, and the exam is usually ordered as in the book. So if you look at question number 1, it relates very much to unit 1 and 2, unit 1 and 3. Karam, start please with the question and number 1.
Complete the sentences with the correct tense of the verbs in brackets. The accident took place while the students were crossing the street.
Okay. Now, number 2. Who's ready? Alisar, can you try?
Can someone else do it?
Someone else. So, Amal. طبعا هون بتلزمكم تدوروا على الكلمة الدالة ها؟ من الوحدة الثالثة أخذنا مع before simple past.
أستاذ أنا
يلا.
She didn't see a bear before she moved to Alaska.
Okay. إذا شو بصير؟ ليان.
Didn't.
No.
Didn't.
She hadn't
ليش
seen.
أستاذ؟
Had not seen. Past perfect. Okay. Hello.
طب أستاذ
شو بصير هون؟ شو بصير؟ يلا معي.
hadn't.
مع before بدها past perfect. Yes. Now number 3. Come on. مش دارسينه بعرف مش دارسين.
Have been waited.
إذن the passengers wait for 3 hours and yes.
had been waiting أستاذ.
had ولا have لما في yes.
Have been waiting.
Have, yes. Have been waiting for 3 hours and then the train.
أستاذ الجواب had.
طيب ما أنا بقول. إذن had been waiting for 3 hours and the train arrive yet.
haven't arrived.
We have been waiting hasn't arrived. Okay. Now listen, number 4. ولا حدا رافع ايده. واو. بس كرم يلا كرم.
Listen, what language are Ali's guests talking?
Yeah, are Ali's guests talking. And the last one. يلا.
The teacher
Yes.
The teacher did not think the exam is complicated.
Doesn't think.
أو doesn't think.
Doesn't think. Yes. بدي أوقف هون وأترككم تروحوا على الرابط وتحلوا فيه القواعد شكلكم يعني مش هالقد مستعدين فيه. So we need to think over again and again. And my advice for you is that from now on for 2 weeks you can start studying half a unit per day, نص وحدة باليوم, so that you can revise at least the vocabulary and grammar. Thank you very much for today. Go please to the link in your chats, copy it before I just close. See the link and start doing that interactive worksheet. Remember to save it and send it back. Thank you very much.